Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to use Midjourney. So here, open your Discord account and then click Add a Server. Go to Join a Server. Type in here Midjourney and click Join Server. Choose on the newbies server here. When you're in already, you can see different generated AI images here. To generate your own image, type /imagine prompt. After here, input different keywords that describes your image that you want to produce. And press enter on your keyboard. So here is our first image. U1, U2, U3, and U4 are the upscaling button, while V1, V2, V3, and V4 indicates the variation of the image. To enlarge one of the images, click it. And in here, you can download the image freely. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!